this Lego basketball game that I made. So it's a working game that you can play, and I made it out of Lego. It's actually pretty fun. So let's take a closer look at it. Okay, so this is the basketball guy right here. Close up. So he's actually one of the ones from like the early 2000s, one of the sports basketball guys, where he has these legs. Let me take him off of here for you. He has these legs right here that have springs in them, so like that. And then Lego made these. It's kind of a weird thing, but see how he springs up, and then his hands are actually like curved like that to hold a ball like perfectly like that. So then he's meant to pull back and then shoot. So that is how the basketball guy works. If you're wondering, this little tan thing down here with this spot for a guy on it, that actually comes in the basketball sets too. That's why it's tan. But yeah, the guy just sits on right there and put the ball in his hand, and then you pull back and then you shoot like that, and then it rolls back. I might be able to tell that this, all the green is slanted a little bit. So if I just place the ball, there, well, let me just put it farther up a little bit. So if I just place the ball up there, it rolls that back down to him in that spot. But if you want to see how sloped it is, if you look straight on from it, onto it, it's that sloped like back there. But these parts are a lot less sloped, so right there you can kind of see where the bricks are on it. So just right there, and you kind of see how it's sloped that way. And that's like how it's sloped. And also back here we got the basketball hoop, which has these little slopes on it. And the slopes make it so it's almost like impossible for the ball to land on it when you throw it. And then this hoop right here, I just made, it has tiles right here and representing the spot you're supposed to hit. And then the basketball hoop is actually pretty big right there, so it's pretty easy to get in. You get the ball in there, but all these little white things on the sides tell you like where you're aiming, and this is actually angled right here too, so you can just angle that. But usually higher up works because it deflects the ball if you chuck it too high. If you throw it too high, it'll hit that and then come back down. I said earlier how this hoop's kind of easy to shoot the ball into. You can just take it off. It will just come off the bottom like that. It just connects on just like that with one of those cross axle 1x2 bricks. It'll focus right there. That's what it looks like. So then you just get this piece right here. Well, that's what I used. It's one of these like funnel bricks with this round plate on the bottom, which that will just attach right on the bottom where this one came off. So that just makes it much harder, but there is a chance that it'll get stuck on the rim right here like that. But it's like a very rare chance. And this way makes it much harder to make it in. So let me just show you, trying to get it in this one. It's like much harder, and like if you hit it like never makes it in. But with this one, if I show you this one real quick, with this one, if I just chuck it and it like hits the inside of the rim, it usually makes it so. I gotta get it there, right? But like that. So it's much easier to get it in this one because it's a way wider top, and this one's just like a super small top. As you can see, like the ball has to go in like perfectly almost. And this one, it can go in any of those spots right there. So yeah, let me just show you some playing with this. Also down here by the basketball shooter, I put these advertisements from here. These are from the Lego soccer sets. I have like a lot of these, but there's Legoland right there, the Adidas one, Lego Mindstorms one. It's the old Lego Mindstorms Lego, and right there's a Lego Technic one, and then www.lego.com one. That's it for the video. If you like stuff like this, I also have like a pinball machine on my channel too, which I'll have that linked up in a card here in the corner and linked down below in the description. It's pretty similar to this type of thing. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.